We've been talking about the weather for so long now. Carol can tell us, though, what's planned or you think may happen next. Carol, very good morning again.
Good morning, Louise. Good morning to you as well. Well, as we've just heard, the highest gust of wind yesterday was in Aberdaron at 108 miles an hour, but also in Wales and Capel we had the most amount of rain, 37.2 millimetres. It's much quieter everywhere today. We're looking at blustery showers. If you're heading out, it does feel chilly. Watch out for ice, but it still is windy for some, more especially across the northern half of the country. And that's because the low pressure bringing all yesterday's weather has moved northwards and is now anchored across Scotland. Behind it, a bit of a respite, but our next Atlantic storm is coming our way tomorrow. So here's the centre of the low pressure. Still showers and rain wrapped around it. It's still snowing across the Highlands and Grampians. At lower levels, it's tending to be of rain. And above about 200 metres in the Pennines, expect some snow. Again, at lower levels, it's more likely to be rain or possibly a wee bit of sleet. Now, for some eastern parts of England, a dry start, but showers coming in from the west, moving towards the east. Again, lower levels, you're more likely to have rain, possibly a wee bit of sleet and hail in some of the heaviest ones, with the snow on high ground. Wales too seeing a similar scenario. It's largely on high ground we're seeing the snow, but compared to yesterday, it's much better. For Northern Ireland, you'll have some lying snow this morning from the overnight, and we're looking at mostly dry first thing, but you can see the showers gathering. They'll be wintry in the hills of the tops of the hills, same for the Pennines as we go through the day, and still very windy across the northern half of Scotland in particular. But as we move south, there'll be a lot of dry weather, there'll be some sunshine and nowhere near as windy as yesterday. Now the wind will continue to ease for a time as we go through the course of the night. It's going to be a cold night, watch out for some frost as well, and there'll be one or two showers, but that's all going to be usurped by this band of rain coming in from the southwest and its accompanying gales. Now this is our next Atlantic storm, which tomorrow will bring its heavy rain across the flooded areas in the south, moving steadily northwards, eradicating the brighter start. Scotland, though, hanging on to the driest and brightest weather for the longest period of time. More significant snowfall coming in, and that too, as it moves northwards, will produce more significant snowfall across the Grampians, where we already have a lot. Now, the wind will be a feature inland widely across England and Wales. We're looking at gusts round about 40 to 50 miles an hour, possibly 60. Around the southwestern approaches and also the English Channel, we're looking through the daytime at 70 miles an hour. But as we head into the evening, along the southwest, the English Channel, that will pick up to about 80 miles an hour. Now, we've got some high tides tomorrow night as well, so there'll be some large waves crashing once again on shore. So we pick up that low pressure as it moves steadily into the North Sea during the course of Saturday. Still all around it, we've got showers and some snow on the hills. On Saturday, the wind will still be with us. It will ease off as we go through the course of the day. And then let me show you Sunday, something a lot quieter, a lot drier with some sunshine. There is another system coming in from the Atlantic, but that won't be nearly as potent as we've seen, Lou.
It's a good bit of news, Carol. Thank you very much. See you a little bit later. Thank you. Let's take you